Okay, so here I have the slope formula. So m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And here I have two coordinates. Okay, the 1 coordinate and the 2 coordinate. So 1 and 2, this immediately becomes x sub 1, y sub 1, this becomes x sub 2, y sub 2. So we will plug it in and see what we get. So m equals, what's y sub 2? That's 2 minus y sub 1, that is 3. X sub 2, that is 5. X sub 1, that is 1. Okay, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, so we have a slope of negative 1, 4. This means that it goes down and to the right. Okay, down and to the right, 4. Down 1 and over to the right, 4. And that's what that means. And that means, generally speaking, that this line is going to look somewhat more or less like that. It might not be exactly that, but that means it's facing down. Now, wondering what would happen if one of these, say, was a negative. Let's see, let's take the 3, for example. So let's just say this was 3. So we'll plug in the formula again. So m equals y sub 2, that is 2 minus a negative 3, so we got a negative 3, okay, and then still we got the 5 minus 1 going, so we already know what this one is. So this bottom one is 4, the top one we're going to use the additive inverse property, so additive, okay, actually these become a positive, excuse me, these become a positive, okay. Now in this case 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So what that means is this goes up 5 and over 4. Now, let's just say the other one is. Let's just say the negative 2 in this example. Let's see, the 2 was a negative this time. Okay, so we'll plug in the formula again. M equals y sub 2, that's negative 2 minus 3, and then 5 minus 1 still stays the same. Okay, so in this case, we already know the bottom one is 4, but in this case it's different from this one. This one is the additive inverse property, so additive inverse, yeah, we're adding two negatives, so in this case it's negative 5 over 4. And this means that going down, negative 5 and over plus 4. So we know that this one is generally going to look like this, because it's a negative slope, and the positive slope is going to look something like that. And that's all.